Welcome! In this Analysis for Excel quick tip video, we'll discuss Go-To reports in Analysis for Excel. For more background on the Analysis for Excel tool, please visit our help files website. Go-To reports are available in Analysis for Excel reports. To open up a Go-To report, right-click on the wanted value and select Go-To and the report you want to open. For example, if you have a sponsored program detail report with several sponsored programs and want to see the billing details of a certain sponsored program, right-click on that sponsored program and select Billing Details Report from the Go-To menu. A Go-To report can open in three ways. First, the report can open as another Analysis for Excel report. Alternatively, some reports will open in the traditional BI reports interface. However, these reports will be changed to open as Analysis for Excel reports in the future. If you are accessing a traditional BI report through Go-To report in Analysis for Excel, you can't save it as a favorite tile. That is possible only if you access the report directly from the Wild Business Gateway. A Go-To report can also lead outside the reporting tools. For example, in the ITS Billing Details report, you can use Go-To to access specific device in ServiceNow and request change to the billing. Thank you for watching this episode of BI Quick Tips series. You can find all the BI Quick Tips videos on the Help Files website. Until next time!